what's gonna happen to CGC, the cannabis stock, after the earnings. We got a drop of 27%. You know why? Because of the bad sales for their product, and this wasn't cool because investors didn't like that. Even though before the earnings, guys, we got a huge anticipation for the earnings because we got major reversal from the 180 and we went until almost the $3 and we did 50%. And you see what's happened here. Earning came, boom, the price go down. So this is clearly the analysts didn't like what they saw in the balance sheet. And of course, the shorter were easily invested and heavily invested just around the $3. And that's why we went down. So in today's video, we have to discuss, are we going to have a reversal? Because there's always a chance for a reversal for those kind of stocks. So highly risky, highly rewarded for this play, guys. So if you have a weak heart, please turn down or close this video because this will be not for you, because this one will be pretty explosive in coming days. So let's get right to it, guys. Hit the like and subscribe because we go always live around 9 a.m. Eastern time on our YouTube, and of course before that on our Discord, where we go live around 7 a.m. Eastern time to discuss the market, to discuss the price entry for many stocks. As you can see here, we have a major update, live streaming, pre-market update. We do hunter gains here. Of course, our hunters take their profit every time once we do the chart analysis update here for many stocks like PBBI did really great last Friday before the close. Of course, we did a nice jump on this one. TNXB did great. We have many stocks, as you can see here, for day trade, for swing trade. Of course, Uber did really great, hit our 76.46 before the market close on Friday. So we do swing trade and day trade. So join us, guys, in the link comment section below. For now, what we should expect for CGC? Of course, the price pullback from the earnings. Let me just show you here, the almost 30% in the pre-market on Friday. And you see the earning here, we have a deficit of 112% for the earnings, guys. So not worse than last year, but you see the anticipation for the analyst. Yes, is way better than the last earnings because every earnings we have more than that, but this time we have the sales is really down, guys. Decline, big decline in the growth for the sales for the cannabis stock CGC. So what we should expect after that? First of all, we have to watch for the 240, which is the current resistance at the current situation, that we have to retest by the next week. If we have a bit of fighting chance to reverse, we need to hold the 186 and retest the $2.40. Let me just show you how much we should do, or we should be in the pre-market would be even better, 20% at least, in order to go up again and have a fighting chance to go toward the $3 once again. So this is just the technical side, guys, because sometimes we have a bad news in the fundamental, but the technical will be different story. So we have to confirm right now if we're gonna have a fighting chance once we break the 240. So this is the scenario. We're gonna go toward the 240 if we have a good buyer, but if we don't break this level, yes, we continue to go down and have a new low below the 185. If we broke, it means it's really good for signal, but the main signal for CGC to squeeze, of course, is around the $3.09. So here, guys, for this level, like almost 90% chance we're not gonna go there unless we have major news, acquisition, whatever, huge news drop to confirm the buyers or the confidence of the buyer will go up once again to go toward the $3 directly and have a V-shaped recovery. So this is unlikely because we don't know about the news if it drop next week or not. However, the other scenario or the test that will be plausible for me to go to next week is the 240. So this is the level that we might test even without major news hit the market by the next week. So now, what we should do. The first thing we should do, if you still want to play this play, is watching the 240, because once we break it, yes, we're gonna have a game on to go toward the $3. If we didn't, watch out for the 186, because if we broke it, guys, is me, yes, the short seller added their position and the buyers didn't buy more of CGC stock, and this will give us a new low for this month. So be careful, guys. This drop that happened after the earnings is really bad, but sometimes, or most often, once we have this kind of pullback after the earnings, it will be discounted price for the investors, and they buy back here after many days of accumulation. Then we're gonna have a huge reversal, so it will be a good opportunity to buy if we held over the 186 for CGC. We're going to discuss all those kind of stocks. Of course, we have many kind of stocks like TLRY and the other ones like TLY, the same, is still pulling back and have a new low. But yeah, we're going to discuss all those stocks by next week on Monday on our live streaming. So join us, guys. Hit the notification and the like button. And thank you for in advance for the support. And of course, let me know what's the price target in the comment section below for CGC. Are we going to go over the $3, or we're going to go below the $1 for CGC for this month? Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow, everybody. And see you, of course, on our live streaming. Thank you for watching.